Add variables to tuple. I am learning Python and creating a database connection. While trying to add to the DB, I am thinking of creating tuples out of information and then add them to the DB. What I am doing? I am taking information from the user and store it in variables. Can I add these variables into a tuple? Can you please help me with the syntax? Also, if there is an efficient way of doing this, please share. Edit. Let me edit this question a bit. I only need the tuple to enter info into the DB. Once the information is added to the DB, should I delete the tuple? I mean, I don't need the tuple anymore.
It's as easy as the following. However, tuples in Python are immutable, so you cannot append variables to a tuple once it is created.
Tuples are immutable. You can't change which variables they contain after construction. However, you can concatenate or slice them to form new tuples. And, of course, build them from existing values.
You can start with a blank tuple with something like t is equal to. You can add with plus, but you have to add another tuple. If you want to add a single element, make it a singleton, t is equal to t plus element. You can add a tuple of multiple elements with or without that trailing comma.
Another tactic not yet mentioned is using appending to a list and then converting the list to a tuple at the end. Returns. I sometimes use this when I have to pass a tuple as a function argument, which is often necessary for the NumPy functions.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.